Não, olha. Não me tá no carro de dragão. Eu sou.
I have come to Koro today not just to commission new buildings and to officially hand over new boats and freezers to this community. I'm certainly doing that and with great joy, but more importantly, today marks another phase in the rebirth of Koro Island. 4.5 years after Tropical Cyclone Winston flattened every structure on the island and laid waste to most of what the people of Koro had built through years of hard work. It takes a long time to rebuild when you build back better, and build back better we have. We are building back stronger. We are building back with determination to be fully prepared for whatever nature may bring us, and not just to prevail after the next storm, but to emerge from it stronger than ever. Fijians are no strangers to hard times and adversity. We are strong people, by nature and by necessity. I see that strength in the people of Koro. Despite the brutal impacts of Cyclone Winston, you are still here. Winston did not destroy Koro, and it did not destroy Fiji. It made us stronger, it made us smarter, and even more resilient than ever. And so today we dedicate the new buildings and the reconstructions that are physical representations of this birth, of this rebirth, and of the invincible spirit of the Fijian people and the people of Koro. The new Nakondu Mundu Primary School, the repaired Nassau Police Post, and newly rebuilt staff quarters. I understand your police officer has had to sleep in the office, but now he has comfortable quarters. The staff quarters for the Nassau Health Center, the new Koro District Administration Officer, and the Koro Agriculture Office and staff quarters. The infrastructure is now in place to ensure that these communities have the police protection, education, health services, and agricultural extension services that they require and deserve. We are more than reborn. We are thriving. Nakondu Mundu Primary School was destroyed by a tropical cyclone Winston, and since then 112 children who attend this school have had their lessons in Mundu village. But now you have your new school, and it is built to withstand whatever another Winston may deliver. We pray to God that we may never see another cyclone like Winston again. not here on Koro and not anywhere else in Fiji. But if it comes, we know that this building will be standing the next day. And when the winds die down and the morning sun shines, your children will have the classes and be with their teachers and friends. The cost was more than $3.5 million, a small price to pay for the future of our children. The police post and health center sustained serious structural damage. Staff quarters at both places were destroyed, and the agriculture and district offices were completely destroyed. But like the Nokondu Mundu Primary School, they are back, and they will stay. They are not just buildings. They house services that a community cannot live without. No matter what comes, the police must be able to provide protection. The nurses must be able to tend to the sick and hurt and help care for the children. The farms must continue to produce. So it is up to government to make sure that we deliver the services the people need. And that means we need modern, well-built, permanent facilities. And when we make an investment in a new and better district office, like the one here in Koro, that investment comes with the expectation of a higher quality of services delivered to the public. I'm also pleased to hand over 2 new fiberglass boats with engines for the fishermen in the communities of Nabanga and Namadu, and solar-powered freezers to allow them to store their fish. I'm pleased to commission your school, your police posts, and all these facilities, and to hand over these boats and freezers to the fishing communities who need them. But more importantly, I'm very happy to be here in the spirit of optimism and hope for the future. I thank God for the strength of the people of Koro, and I pray for a safe and prosperous future for this community and this island.
Gracias.